Okay, this is our first lesson on fractions. We're going to begin by talking about what fractions are and how do you read them and what do they mean. So we're going to start out by defining what are fractions. Okay, so what are fractions? Look at the figure given below. It is a whole figure. We can divide it into two equal parts by drawing a line. Shade only one part of the figure, and each part is called 1/2 of the whole. We write it as 1/2. Look at the figure given below. It is a whole figure. We can divide it into two equal parts by drawing a line. Shade only one part of the figure, and each part is called 1/2 of the whole. We write it as 1/2. How do we read fractions? How to read a fraction. This fraction is 1/2. And we read it as 1/2 or 1/2. This fraction is 3/7. It's read as 3/7 or 3/7. This fraction is 2/5. It is read as 2/5 or 2/5. This fraction is 7/9. It is read as 7/9 or 7/9. Let's think more about fractions. The following figures are divided into two equal parts. When a whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2 of the whole. One half is written as 1/2. 2 halves make a whole. Each figure is divided into two parts. Are both parts equal? Yes, no. Yes, no. No, yes. Yes, no. Which of the following figures are divided into two equal parts? I'll give you a few minutes. That one is. That one is not. That one is not. That one is. That one is. And that one is not. That last one. The following figures are divided into three equal parts. When a whole is divided into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3 of a whole. 1/3 is written as 1/3 or 1/3. Each figure is divided into three parts. Are all three parts equal? No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. And yes. Which of the following figures are divided into three equal parts? I'll give you a minute. This first one here is yes. The next one is no. The next one, it's getting trickier, is no. This next one is no. This one is no, because they're not equal. This next one is no. This one is yes. And this last one is no. The following figures are divided into four equal parts. When a whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. 1/4 is written as 1/4 or 1/4. Each figure is divided into four parts. Are all the four parts equal? That one, first one is no. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. And no. Which of the following figures are divided into four equal parts? The first one is no. The next one is yes. The next one is yes. The next one is no. The next one is no. The next one is yes. The next one is no. And the last one is yes. It is important when you're doing fractions that all the parts are equal. They have to be equal.